Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon. Okay, you may sit down now. Okay, class, so our topic for today will be all about okay. So does anyone know what pictograph is? Okay.
Pictograph uses pictures or symbols to convey information about the provided data. And also, regarding pictograph, you must be very careful because sometimes pictograph may lead you to misinterpreting the data.
Very good, Ms. Safra. But let me introduce you what pictograph is in a more detailed way. In statistics, pictographs are charts that are used to represent data using icons and images relevant to the data. A key is often included in a pictograph that indicates what each icon or image represents. For example, pizza or burger or what you can use as a pictograph. All icons in the pictograph must be of the same size, but we can use the fraction of an icon to show the perspective fraction of the amount. Let us understand the concept of pictographs using examples. They can help laying the foundation for data interpretation based on pictorial formation. Now, after knowing the pictograph definition, let us understand pictographs using a scenario.
Okay, since you have an idea what pictograph is, I will give you a class project. A 10-minute video about pictograph. This will include your description, interpretation and answer, history, reference, solution, sample problems, and your conclusion. Okay, class, do you have any question regarding the pictograph and the project? Okay, class, dismissed.
Good day! Here, we're going to learn about the pictograph accordingly, which include history, description, definition of terms, steps or procedures, sample problems, solutions, interpretation or answer, conclusion, generalization, and lastly the references which help us to acknowledge the author of the information that are being used here in this presentation. Now let's delve in on the history of the pictograph.
History of pictograph. Pictograph, ancient image, have been used in mathematics since ancient time, representing numerical information through hieroglyphic writing and cuneiform symbols used by Sumerians around 3000 BCE. Various societies, including the Mayans, utilized pictorial representation of numerical values, while medieval Europe saw symbolic notation and images, while Descartes developing mathematical symbols and diagrams. Throughout history, pictographs had played a significant role in the visual representation of mathematical concepts, developing alongside mathematical notation. Today's mathematical notation combines numbers, symbols, and diagrams.
A pictograph uses pictures and symbols to convey information about the provided data. Pictographs should be used very carefully and it is very comfortable to use, but sometimes they may lead to misinterpretation of data as well. Whenever pictographs are drawn, they should look visually correct as most of the time the data is interpreted visually. Pictographs define the frequency of the data using images or symbols which are relevant to the data. We use a K which denotes the value of the sample. While using symbols or images, all the symbols should be one of the same size. The K represents the value of the image. If the frequency of the data is too large, the K is useful, which should be represented along with the pictograph.
Definition of terms. What is pictograph? A pictograph is a visual representation of data using pictures, symbols to convey information, while an icon is a small representative image or symbol used to depict a certain quantity or category. A data point is each individual piece of data or value that is represented by an icon in the pictograph. while legend or the key is a section that explains the symbols, icon used in the pictograph and their corresponding values or categories. While scale, the numerical relationship or the proportion between the data values and the representation in the pictograph. While the frequency is the number of times a specific symbol or icon appears in the pictograph, indicating the occurrence of a particular data point.
Now, let's tackle about the steps and procedure of the pictograph. There are 5 steps in making a pictograph. First is to collect the data. The first step in making a pictograph is a collection of relevant information which we want to represent. Once the data is collected, make a table or a list of data. Next step, select the symbol for the images. To represent the data, pick an images or pictures or symbols. For example, if the data represent the rainfall for the different cities, make use of clouds images of some other image which are relevant to the data. Step 3. Assign a key. While representing the data using images, use a key which denotes the value of the image. Because if the frequency of the data is too high, then one image is not enough to represent the data. Thus, the numerical value called key is used, which should be written along the pictograph. Step 4. Draw the pictograph. While making a pictograph, use the columns that represent the category and data. Finally, draw the pictograph using symbols, images, which represent the frequency in the case. If the frequency is not a whole number, the symbols can be drawn as a function. And last step is review the data and the pictograph. Once the pictograph is drawn, make sure that the images exactly represent data as well as the labeling of the pictograph.
Now I have here 2 examples of a pictograph with a corresponding word problem. First is a pictograph about a social media platform, a presentation of the most used social media platform worldwide. Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube are recorded as the most used social media platform worldwide. The pictograph uses the symbols of a yellow computer to represent clients, and one yellow computer is equivalent to 10 clients. In a given pictograph, what is the most popular social media platform and how many are utilizing it? And what is the least popular social media platform and how many are using it? I have another sample pictograph here where you can see the statistics of population of male and female first year nursing students at the University of Cebu, Manila campus. In a given pictograph, I want you to find the total population of male and female first year nursing students if the total population of first year nursing students is 2,000. Find the total population in each gender by using the given percentage, which is male I 25% and female at 75%.
So this is the solution for Pictograph.
What is the most popular social media platform for the provided image and how many clients are utilizing it?
The given are Facebook 5 yellow and 5 pink, WhatsApp 3 yellow, 7 pink, YouTube 2 yellow and 8 pink. So the equivalent of yellow is 10 clients. So the solution Facebook equals 10 times 50 because we have 5 yellow and then 5 times 10 equals 50. So 10 times 50 equals 500. WhatsApp 10 times 30 equals 300. YouTube is equals to 10 times 20 equals 200. So most popular social media platform is Facebook with a total of 500 clients.
What is the least popular social networking platform and how many clients are using it?
So Facebook is equals to 10 times 50, 500, 10 times 30, 300, 10 times 20, 200. So the least popular social networking platform is YouTube with a total of 200 clients. Next is
The picture above shows a significant discrepancy between first-year male and female nursing students. Given that the overall population of first-year nursing students is 2,000, calculate the total population of male and female nursing students using respective percentages.
the given are male with a total of 25% and female 75%. So the solution is first we have to convert the percentage into decimals. So 0.25 times 2000 equals 500. So that's the total of male nursing student. For female, we have 0.75 times 2000 equals 1500 female nursing students.
And each yellow PC has 10 clients. So in Facebook, there are 5 yellow PC. 5. Multiply it by 10 because in each yellow PC has 10 clients, so 50. We multiply it by 10 also because in overall, so 50 times 10 equals 500. So that's all. Let's highlight Facebook. 500. Erase. Same goes with WhatsApp. So 3 yellow pieces of 3 times 10 is equals to 30. Multiply it again by 10 because the overall PC is 10. So 30 times 10 is equals to 300. So let's highlight WhatsApp. WhatsApp is 300. So erase, erase, erase. And goes with YouTube. So same with YouTube. 2 times 10 is equals to 20. And multiply it by 10 again because overall PC is 10. So 20 times 10 is equals to 200. To highlight YouTube, 200. So erase, 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 erase. So in finding the most used social media platform, so we have Facebook. Facebook because it's up. The word usage rate is 500. And the most least app used is YouTube. Why YouTube? Because it's just 200 there compared to Facebook. That's all. Thank you.
Pictographs are a visually appealing means of presenting statistical data, offering a straightforward way to transmit information to a large audience. The use of graphics or symbols that represent values can help make complex data more accessible and clear at first glance. However, if not properly designed, so the graphics can be misconstructed since the visual aspects do not always accurately reflect the underlying data. As a result, while pictographs can be useful for conveying basic information, they should be used rarely and in conjunction with other types of graphs to allow for a full and accurate examination of data.